Hello guys, welcome to another video of the Stocks Doctor. And today we're gonna check at least 6 or 7 stocks that I have on my watch list for today and also for the week. The first one will be PLTR. As many of you know, this one has been in a lot of conversations lately on Twitter, on YouTube. Even the people from Wall Street Bets have been trying to pump this stock. Katie Woods was talking about this stock earlier last week. And a lot of people are excited about this one because since it was added to the ETF ARC W, it's been like an uptrend, a constant uptrend since that really nasty dip that had been last week on the by the levels of $25-26 more or less approximately. Personally, I'm planning on adding this one to my IRA account, since I really like all the other components of this ARC W and also ARC K ETF components. You can take a look at them if you have a Fidelity account, or just go to MarketWatch. You can see the components of these ETFs. It's really interesting. On a really bullish pattern, really nice percentage returns yearly. Regarding PLTR, yes, we know it had a really bad dip during last week's session. It was an amazing opportunity to get in on those $25, $26, $27 levels. Right now, it was during Friday. It was doing, especially during after hours, it was fighting the uptrend. It presented resistance on the $30 level, which it's been fighting today during pre-market, trying to break that $30 level resistance. But unfortunately, I believe it'll keep going down on a downtrend for the rest of the day. And also, if we go check Boeing, as we know, they had this unfortunate event with this plane during the weekend. One of the engines had a malfunction, it got fired. There's a few videos about it on YouTube, on Yahoo. A lot of people uploaded it on social media. It was a really scary situation. So a lot of people thought that the stock was going to dip, which in fact happened during pre-market hours. Look at that huge red candle. It would have been a really good and interesting formation for market open to buy some dips, but it recovered before market open, so it's just on our watch for now. Another one that we're watching is FRX. This one had a little bit of momentum during last week, Thursday or Friday session. A lot of people jump in. Unfortunately, it started going down again, and today it started a little bit of recovery during pre-market hours. So this is a really good one. We're gonna keep it on our watch and see what's going on. This one personally is one of my favorites since I like to do credit spreads, selling puts. Why? Because Rocket Companies is a special stock that usually stays between the $19 and $20, $21 levels. This is really important and really useful when you are selling puts. Why? Because you want a stock that you know the range, that you know where it moves, you know the usual lows, you know the usual heights, you know when it's a really good deep opportunity to buy some more shares, to buy some more calls, to buy some more puts. Personally, right now I have a position on a credit spreads selling puts for March 5th. I was able to get on the dip right here on the $19 more or less, and hopefully the stock, I'm hoping or I'm betting that this Rocket Companies RKT stock will stay above the $19 to $20 level. Personally, my peak was 18 and 18.5 puts that I'm selling for this stock, so hopefully let's wait for this one to stay over or on top of the $19 levels. Another stock that we are watching here, it was FRX. We already mentioned this one. BA, watch for the dip. Good luck for those of you that were able to get in on time. Again with PLTR, as we mentioned already, it's really important and really useful to check the levels, to check the stochastic, to check the RSI, to check the volume level that is going in, the influx of people, how is the stock blasting on social media. Personally, I recommend for you guys to trade using, if you have a trading view, is this one that I'm using right now is a good one. I recommend it. But personally, my favorite is Think or Swim. Unfortunately, I can use it on this computer. I got my personal computer right next to me, and I just need to figure out how to upload it, how to take a screen, as I'm doing with this one using the Think or Swim software. Is definitely the gold standard. I recommend it a lot. Do not trade. Try to do not trade at all if you're not looking at the chart, because that's basically trading blindly, and probably you're gonna lose your money. Why? Because you have to be aware of the switch of the pivot points. You have to be aware of the resistance points. You have to be aware of the support levels, and all those points you can see them. You can look at them actively on your trading chart, which is really useful, especially for those of you that love to day trade or to swing trade. Having a chart next to you, right in front of your eyes, is really, really important. Even if sometimes you can have your computer at all times, if you're traveling, if you're on a business trip, if you're going to another country, to another city, you can even use the app on your phone. You can use a tablet. You can use another computer, a portable computer. The thing is that you have to keep in mind that it's recommended to never trade if you're not looking at a chart, because it's really probable you're gonna lose your money. You're gonna find yourself in the bad side of the trading. You're gonna find yourself in a bad spot. And personally, I know, yeah, a lot of us like to check, the trending on Twitter, the trending on stock tweets, what's going on Wall Street Bet sometimes, which is not bad, because in a way is a way to know the market sentiment of what retail or a huge percentage of retail is aiming to. So just keep in mind to, besides that, please, first of all, please have the chart in front of your eyes so you can have a better trading session overall. Back to RKT, our bracket companies. As I mentioned already, it's a really good stock because it ranges between those $19 and $21 levels. So when you're trading, when you're looking for a stock to do the credit spread, selling puts, this is what you want. You want a stock that you know. You want a stock that you're comfortable with. You want a stock that you know the usual highs, the usual lows, so it won't take you by surprise. For example, if it dips to 17 to 16 levels, which, yes, it may happen. Anything can happen on the stock market. But when you check the chart, in the last 3 months, the last 5-6 months, it's pretty steady. It stays on those levels, of those $19, $20 levels. So that's what we want. Because when you're selling puts, the only purpose that you want, the only thing that you want, is for the stock to or stay up, keep going up, or stay there where it is. You don't want it to go down. It doesn't matter if it doesn't go up. That's the beautiful thing about a credit spread selling puts, because you don't necessarily need the stock to blast. You don't necessarily need the stock to go up, to go on an uptrend. Like, even in a slow day, on a red day, as long as the stock stay up the levels that you have for your credit spread, you're good. You're good to go. You're gonna profit. You're gonna make some profit. You're gonna make some money, and you don't have to stress all about, because I'm like, oh, the stock is going down, the stock is dipping, a lot of people are selling. It's not enough, a rug pull. No, you're good. Relax. Just wait it out. You know your stock. You know it won't dip 80% percentage times. So just wait it out, and you'll collect your profits a couple days from now. Personally, mine is for March 5th. So let's wait for that. Yeah, Boeing, as we mentioned already, let's keep an eye on that in case it may actually happen the opposite, because now those planes are 25, 26 years old, so probably they're gonna have to order new ones, which might cause a spike. Again, back to PLTR. Today is a red day, it's a slow day, there's nothing much going on, but keep an eye on PLTR anyways. We already saw what happened last week. It might go up, all the way. So it wouldn't be bad to get us in a small position in one of those dips and wait for the best for next week. Back to our favorite index, SPY. Look at that. Look at that beautiful recovery since the 386 levels going all the way up. Let's also keep an eye on CCIV stock. You know, all this merger news, all these rumors going on around them, and the possible and imminent merger with Lucid Motors. So let's keep an eye on this one as well. And trade safe, guys. Protect your account, protect your profits, and take profit always. No risk more than you can afford. And remember, sometimes it's just better to sit on your hands on days like this. Just wait for a good deep opportunity, or just wait until tomorrow to do a better trading. Thanks for watching. See you next time.